Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a piece of equipment that brings serious cooking power to places where a standard kitchen range just cannot reach. This is the Ardes electric cooker, specifically the Tcapa model. If you are a camper, someone living in a small studio apartment, or just need an extra station for your holiday cooking, this might be the solution you have been waiting for. When you first take this out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. It is constructed from lacquered steel, which feels sturdy and ready for the rigors of travel or heavy daily use. It is a dual-plate system, featuring cast iron heating elements measuring 15.5 centimeters and 18 centimeters. These are not flimsy coils, but solid cast iron discs that provide excellent heat retention. The power output is impressive for a portable unit, coming in at 2,500 watts total. This allows for quick heating and consistent performance. What I really appreciate here is the focus on simplicity. You have two rotary switches on the front, each controlling one plate. There are 5 intensity levels, allowing you to dial in your temperature from roughly 60 degrees up to 240 degrees Celsius. This range is perfect for everything from a slow simmer to a vigorous boil. Let us talk about the pros. First, the heat retention of those cast iron plates is a massive plus. Even after you turn the unit off, the plates stay hot for a while, which can actually help save energy if you are careful with your cooking timing. It is extremely intuitive. There is no complicated digital display or touch sensor that might fail over time. It is a reliable, mechanical design that just works. Also, having two different sized plates means you can fit a large frying pan on one side and a smaller saucepan on the other without them bumping into each other. Now, for the cons. Because this uses heavy cast iron elements, the unit is not the lightest thing to carry around in a backpack, so it is better suited for car camping or stationary use. Also, like most open-plate electric cookers, you do need to keep it clean. Spills can land directly on the metal casing, so be prepared to wipe it down after every use to keep that black lacquered finish looking sharp. In conclusion, the Ardes Tcapa electric cooker is a workhorse. It does not try to be fancy. It focuses on the basics of cooking, providing reliable heat and a solid build that feels like it will last for years. If you need a secondary stove for the home, the garage, or the campsite, this is a fantastic value that gets the job done without any fuss. It is functional, it is safe, and it is built by a company with 6 decades of kitchen appliance experience. If you are ready to upgrade your portable cooking setup, this is definitely a top contender. Link in the description.